Hello friends, welcome to yet another session on essential life skills. My name is Richa and today we will talk about how to have a positive attitude in life. Well, a couple of years back I was stuck with a personal tragedy which left me devastated. Well, to think of it, I used to feel unhappy, unmotivated, unfulfilled, and I used to really go about each and every day like a routine task. I used to not enjoy meeting new people. I used to be in my room all the time without really making an effort to get out and to really be with people. Well, the reason probably now thinking I did that is because I was a bunch of negative emotions, and when I think negative, I also give out negative energy, attracting all the negative people in life. Hence, in today's session, we will talk about how to think positive, because thinking positive can bring positivity into your life and will also bring positive people in your life. So keep watching on today's module on how to think positive. The first tip in order to have a positive attitude in life is to think gratitude. Well, somebody very well known once said that I used to crib about not having enough pair of shoes till the time I saw a man with no feet. Well, yes, it's very important because we as human beings are so fond of cribbing and complaining that we forget to be thankful for the things that we do have. We need to feel blessed about the things we have rather than complaining about the things we do not have. Think of the less fortunate. They don't even have basic food and shelter. And we here living not a very luxurious life, but yet we keep cribbing and complaining. So right now, what I would really want you to do is just think gratitude. Say a word of thanks to God by giving you all of that which people even do not have that. So think gratitude, and that's my first tip on how to have a positive attitude in life. Friends, my tip number 2 in order to have a positive attitude in life is to choose to be happy. Well, yes, we have heard so many times this particular saying that happiness is not a destination, it is a journey. We need to understand that being happy is very essential and imperative if you want success in your life. Yes, we might have a lot of problems in our life. We might be going through a lot of struggles in our life, a lot of ups and downs in our life as well. But what we really need to do is we have a certain choice we need to make every morning when you get up. You can choose to be happy with all the things that you have, or you can choose to be unhappy and crib and complain about the things that you don't have or the situation that you are in. In fact, I would like to go a step further and say choose to be happy by being proactive rather than reactive. And that's an essential quality for leadership. If you truly want to achieve success in your life and achieve your goals in life, just be happy. Be in the situation that you are in and just live in the moment that you are in. And that's my tip number 2 for all of you listening here. In order to have a positive attitude in life, just choose to be happiness. And that's not a very difficult to do, my friends. It's comparatively easy. If you make a choice to be happy, just be happy. So friends, my next tip on how to really be positive in life is by making sure that you begin your day on a positive note. Well, it's important to start your day in a positive note because that really makes the rest of your day go in that particular direction. If you wake up in the morning with a negative thought or a negative emotion, trust me friends, your entire day will go in a negative manner. You will attract negative people, negative energies, etc. So when you get up in the morning, the first thing you do is do something positive for yourself. It can be anything that you like to do or meeting any particular positive person in your life. Start your day on a very, very positive note if you want to have a positive attitude in life. The next tip to have a positive attitude in life is just stop and smell the roses. Well, it's something so simple, yet a lot of us find it difficult to find the time to just stop and smell the roses. Well, we are living a very hectic lifestyle. We have deadlines, projects, assignments. Really, I mean, it's important to take out time for yourself and just smell the roses, or just spend time with yourself by keeping yourself in a cool and a calm environment. It's important to just let go. Do not always rush for things. Just take some time off for yourself, by yourself. It's really important to do that. It helps you to look at the positive in life. So try doing that today. That's my tip number 4. Stop and smell the roses. So friends, let's quickly summarize and recap on what are the ways in which you can have a positive attitude in life. Tip number 1 is always begin on a positive note. Tip number 2 is think gratitude. Tip number 4, or rather tip number 3, is choose to be happy. Tip number 4 is stop and smell the roses. And the last tip, or the final tip to have a positive attitude in life, is just by trying to tell yourself that substitute problems as if they are challenges and not like problems. Well, we hope you have enjoyed listening to this particular module on how to have a positive attitude in life, and I'm sure after listening to this particular module, you will all turn out to be positive attitude people. Keep watching, more videos coming up. Till then, thank you and bye-bye.